Every time you drive, your windshield is your first line of defense against the unexpected. Blinding rain, flying debris, sudden glare. Your windshield is under constant attack, leaving you vulnerable when visibility matters most. See clearly in any condition with Diamon-Fusion, the protective windshield treatment that keeps you safe. Drivers choose Diamon-Fusion because it repels rain, dirt, and debris for clear visibility, reduces the risk of chips and cracks, making repairs easier, enhances visibility for faster reaction times, and reduces glare for safer night and stormy weather driving. All for a safer drive. For over 30 years, top dealerships across the country have treated hundreds of thousands of vehicles with Diamon-Fusion. But does it really work? See for yourself.